So now you've got these two completely different stories just sitting there. The appellate court has to figure this out, so they start digging for evidence that could back up either one. But what they find? Well, it's just a series of major contradictions that start to pull the whole case apart at the seams.
Okay, so check this out. On October 12th, that's a full 5 weeks after the crime was first reported, the victim, Ghazala Amin, gives her story. And, tragically, she lost her ability to speak because of her injuries, so she had to submit it as a written statement to the court. And, wow, her version of events was just shockingly different.
In this new story, everything changes. The crime didn't happen on September 5th. Nope, it started a whole day earlier. It wasn't a random attack in a field, it was a planned abduction right from her own home. And there weren't 2 attackers, now there are 3. A guy named Muhammad Aslam is suddenly part of the story for the very first time. And the motive? It's not just revenge anymore, now it involves robbery and rape. I mean, this isn't just a minor change in the details, this is a completely different crime.